Best performance cars for 2024, 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT. Unveiling the best performance cars for 2024, the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT leads the charge. As we look ahead to 2024, the performance car market is poised to deliver an array of thrilling new models that blend cutting-edge technology with unparalleled driving experiences. Leading the charge is the 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT, a car that exemplifies the future of high-performance electric vehicles, EVs. 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT, a new era of performance. The 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT represents a bold leap into the future, combining Audi's legendary performance capabilities with the latest in electric vehicle technology. This electric powerhouse is equipped with dual electric motors, delivering a staggering 637 horsepower and 612 lb-ft of torque in overboost mode. The RS e-tron GT catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.1 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars on the road today. Audi's advanced Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures that the RS e-tron GT maintains exceptional grip and handling, even under the most demanding conditions. The car's adaptive air suspension and dynamic steering provide a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency and adds to the car's sophisticated driving dynamics. Inside, the RS e-tron GT offers a luxurious and futuristic cabin. The interior is a blend of high-quality materials and state-of-the-art technology, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. These systems provide intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings, ensuring that drivers remain connected and informed. Sustainable materials, including recycled fibers, are used throughout the cabin, underscoring Audi's commitment to environmental responsibility without compromising luxury. Other notable performance cars for 2024. While the Audi RS e-tron GT is a standout, it shares the spotlight with several other impressive performance cars set to debut in 2024. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. This electric sports car offers a thrilling driving experience with its 750 horsepower and precise handling, continuing Porsche's legacy of performance excellence. Tesla Model S Plaid. With over 1,000 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 2 seconds, the Model S Plaid is a benchmark for electric vehicle performance. BMW i4 M50. Combining electric efficiency with BMW's M performance, the i4 M50 delivers an engaging driving experience with its dual-motor setup and sharp dynamics. Mercedes-AMG EQS 53. This luxury EV blends high performance with cutting-edge technology, offering a powerful electric drivetrain and a sumptuous interior. Conclusion. As 2024 approaches, the performance car landscape is evolving rapidly, with electric vehicles taking center stage. The 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT exemplifies this shift, offering a blend of electrifying performance, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. Whether you're drawn to the raw power of traditional sports cars or the innovative capabilities of electric vehicles, the best performance cars of 2024 promise to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.